that goes back to Aquinas, who says the beautiful is what happens when integritas, consonantia, and claritas come together. Wholeness, harmony, and radiance. When those three things come together. And I always think, for some reason, of sports examples, whether it's a beautiful golf swing, or I think when someone makes a great catch, in football, you say, hey, beautiful. What a beautiful catch. And someone, let's say, not experienced with football will say, I don't get it. Why do you think that's beautiful? Well, let me explain it to you. And if Aquinas is right, and James Joyce thought he was, because this is right at the heart of A Portrait of the Artist, is that you're noticing those three things. You're noticing integritas. There's a wholeness to it. You're noticing consonantia, which is all the elements come together harmoniously in it. Think of like a Rory McIlroy golf swing compared to mine. It's very interesting, because it's like every element of the swing comes together with great harmony. Mine doesn't. Mine is this herky-jerky and off,
So there's a hierarchical purpose in the swing then, too,
yes.
devoted towards the
end.
Then
the last one is very cool, because it's claritas, which literally means brightness. And in some texts, Aquinas even suggests physical brightness. Like that, what a beautiful watch, because it's shining, But then what becomes clear in the tradition is what he really means is the claritas formae, the clarity of form. It's the splendor of form. So you notice the concord, right, the consonantia, and then it sings to you. It's the splendor of the form that makes you say, beautiful, right?
Something that would be something that would compel awe and imitation.
Yeah. And you could argue, I would tend to agree with this, that it's the first of the transcendentals for that reason. Because first, being has to get your attention. And only then can you reflect on it as good and true, right? But it first has to get your attention. You say, beautiful. Right. Then you move to the good and the true. So that's how Aquinas accounts for the objectivity. Those three elements have to be present.